Real deal muscle car time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Black Beauty, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Yes, real deal SS. It has the numbers matching. 396 underneath the hood. That has recently been rebuilt. MQ suffix code. So that is a 375 horse originally. 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's check out this RS front end. Headlight doors have been converted to electric, chrome in the bumper, nice shape. I'm going to get into some more build dates here in just a second too as far as the car and the engine, but first, check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, body date as far as build on this car. 4th week of April. Date stamp on the engine, April 10th. The official car's production date, according to Chevrolet, May 8th, 1968. So all that coincides. You'll be able to see the stamping and the cowl tag all in the still pictures. It was originally a California car delivered to Courtesy Chevrolet in Thousand Oaks, California, just off the 101. As far as the paint on this car, now it is black. So you can see a few imperfections, maybe where there's been a little double chip or what have you, touched up. But overall, this car will turn some heads the way it looks, the way it sounds. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's riding on the slotted steel wheels, Chevrolet center caps, BF Goodrich radials. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed up and down the sides of this car. Like I said, just a few small spots. We have a touch up here or there. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console. There's that 4-speed manual transmission. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get an idea how the chrome in the rear bumper looks. In the trunk, there is a spare tire and a bottle jack that'll go along with it, as well as these items. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures. I think there's some insulator for the spark plug wires, a couple belts, and again, some other miscellaneous items. Check out the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Technician did note, break-in oil in this car yet. It's like I said, recently rebuilt, 396. There's some dyno sheets that were done, I believe, prior to the rebuild, but to give you an idea, this car does have the correct heads on it, and I'd have to look. I'll double check those dyno sheet dates, but we'll have those in the still pictures also. Correct heads in the car, 423 horse, 430 pound-feet of torque is what was on those dyno sheets. So we'll take a little peek at the date on those. I'll let you know after we start it up. Check it out, let you hear it run. And yes, Jason's going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So we look up and down the driver's side of this car. If you like muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. And again, driver's side, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. All right, I tell you what, I'm going to pause this 1 second real quick. I want to look at the dates on the dyno sheet so I can let you know about that before we start it up. Look at the engine bay, and then like I said, we'll wrap up this walk around, let Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, had a chance to peek at those dyno sheets. Date-wise, it looks like it would have been prior to the rebuild, so it has not been in a dyno. Like I said, still break-in oil in it. But like I said, check them out in the still pictures. All right. Black vinyl buckets, a little bit of wear down by the bolster here. Otherwise, very nice looking interior. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You just barely turn that key and this one pops over. Alright, electric fan switch. You can see oil pressure. Water temp gauge down here, both of those are working. That was a cold start. Let's go ahead and get this hood popped open so we can check out that engine bay. I want to show you the headlight doors work. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take you for a drive in this virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And here it is. That number's matching original 396. Nice and fresh. Headers, power steering, power brake. And again, the correct heads. There's the muscle for you. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1968 Chevrolet Camaro with a 4 on the floor, manual transmission, and a 396. Such a great sound. Just want to stay on the throttle. Speedometer's working great. The tachometer on the right is working great as well. Inside that is a clock. I believe you call that a tic-tac clock. Tic-tac clock. Under the dash is an oil pressure gauge showing 70 to 75 psi and the water temperature of 180. The factory gauge over on the right center console showing less than half a tank of fuel. The battery right in the middle of the gauge. Very fun car, lots of power, and you control it all with your stick shift and your right foot and your left foot. Manual transmissions are just more fun, I just gotta say it. Moving on the second for the traffic circle. Very easy to steer. This car corners nicely. Just a little leaning to let you know it's a 68. You can feel the wheels try to let go a little bit when you get on the throttle. I was taking her slightly easy there. Great looking steering wheel, great looking interior. Vinyl factory style bucket seats. Headliner looks nice. Just a fun car to drive. The wipers work, the blower motor works, it's ready for the road. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1968 Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.